Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Venetian Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I came up with a new resource of PCS Global who has just joined PCS Global in our EILP process, that is our Employee Internship Learning Program. So all over India, we are doing this process to make people aware about the career and the scopes in IT. So why people are going to join this program of PCS Global and what are the opportunities they will get from our side and why they are joining in massive way in PCS Global. In my today's session, I will discuss about this with our new resource. His name is Sambhavna Kumar. So hi Sambhavna, this is Devamitra from Venetian Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hi. So, can you tell me, Sambhavna, from where you get to know about this process? Who has told you that you can join this EILP process?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
ELP program is where to in the fresher, ma'am. Joining the fresher. ELP project.
You got any mail from our side?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. You got mail from our side.
Yeah. I already done the one project, ma'am.
You already
Actually,
done?
I am done the one project. Yeah, one project. You know, daily generate off letter, ma'am.
So can you tell me about yourself, Sambhavna? In which year you have completed your study, academical study, and after that you have started searching for jobs or you are a fresher candidate? What is your academical qualification? Tell me a little bit of this thing.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sambhavna Kumar. I have completed the BTech Electrical Communication Engineering in Sayada Institute of Technology and Management in Srikakulam. My hobbies playing cricket, reading books, listening music. I am basically self-motivation and hardworking in adapting any technical skills.
Okay.
My family, small family. My father is a farmer, mother is a housewife. I am joining the PCS. My experience is the PCS Global. I am joining the April 6. I done the already one project in. I am the one client project in giving the Alexa. I work in the client project in healthcare project. That's my man. That's my.
So how many days you have completed in this EILP process?
ELP program is 5 months, man. 5 months.
3 months you have already completed.
Yeah.
So tell me one thing, when you have started working in PCS Global, at first you got an opportunity to give the interview, right? So have you got any mail from our side?
Yeah.
Okay. So after having that mail or after receiving that mail, what was the process?
Yeah. ELP program is the communication, improve your communication with projects, trainings there. So many trainings there in SQL, Java.
In which training you are right now in? You are doing training in which technology?
Java, man.
Okay, Java. It's Java full stack training, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how many projects you have done in Java?
I done the one project, front-end developer. I am actually front-end developer. I done the one project, man.
You have done one project.
Yeah. I work in the client project, my US client project.
Okay. So who is your mentor, tech mentor who is giving you the training right now? Who is providing you the training?
Yeah, man. Training name. I know the name. That's name.
Okay, you don't know the name. So how many days you are getting the classes?
Classes very best, man.
Okay. Now I'm asking in a week, how many days you are getting the classes?
1 month, man.
1 month. Okay, probably 5 days in a week, right?
Yeah.
For 2 hours. Okay, Samagna. So, best of luck for your career. You can continue with PCS Global. You can go for another organizations also. Okay. So, PCS Global will be always there to help you. So, best of luck for your career. So, bye for now. Okay. I will connect with you any other time.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am.